awareness that we can divide it to risk factors to two categories. One thing, the risk factors that we are in our control. The other thing is beyond our control. The things that beyond our control is no point of talking quite a lot, but it's better to know the things. Actually, the male sex is a risk factor, age is a risk factor for anybody, as you are aware, and the genes, that is what you are getting from your family, the parents. Those three are actually is a age and the family history are very big risk factors, is contributing quite a lot. But unfortunately, we didn't have a say on it. We can't control those things. It's beyond our control. Only thing that I wanted to highlight on that risk factors, if you have those things, you should have extra care. Say, for example, if your brothers, sisters, parents has got heart problems, you know that you could be the next one. So then you should be, it's an alarming sign. And everybody, when you are getting older, you should be careful. And the male sex. And actually, what we say, if you compare the age, the male risk is 10 years more than the female. So, for example, if you take 45-year male, and his risk is equal to 55-year-old female. So, roughly 10-year gap the balance with the age. Okay, so those are these three. And the other main risk factors that with the common risk factors, actually the main four, one is high blood pressure, I would say the commonest, and which we are going to talk in minutes time. And then the high sugar in the blood, that is diabetes. And the third is high cholesterol in the blood. We call it dyslipidemia. And the fourth is unfortunately smoking. So those are the commonest the risk factors. But there are some evolving risk factors, especially with the modern, our lifestyle. Out of that, the stress is a big risk factor. Not only the stress, sometimes your workplace environment, family environment, and your mood swings, and all these things can affect the heart in a way. And lack of exercise again is a huge problem these days. You know that especially the kids and even the other people afraid of going out of the home, and they are not going to the gym, not going to the track, and all those things affect actually.